Whoo, woo, do you hear that sound? That's me, Ollie the Owl. I have big round eyes, fluffy feathers, and guess what else? My very own aviator goggles. I'm an explorer, a world traveler. And today, I need your help. We're going on an adventure, a magical adventure. Are you ready? Look at this golden book in my tiny wings. It's my passport. Every explorer needs one. When we visit a new country, we collect a special stamp, like treasure. But here's the exciting part. We also collect something even more magical. We collect words, magic words from around the world. 5 special words today. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold on tight. Our hot air balloon is lifting off. Up, up, up. Fluffy clouds float past us. The wind tickles my feathers. And look down there. Do you see it? Golden sand, a winding blue river, and huge pointy triangles reaching for the sky. We made it. We're in Egypt. Our balloon lands softly in Cairo. That's Egypt's biggest city. People everywhere. Camels walking by, palm trees swaying hello. Time for our first passport stamp. Thump! A beautiful golden stamp with ancient symbols. Hieroglyphics. That's what Egyptians wrote long, long ago. Now, are you ready for magic word number 1? When you meet someone new, what do you say? That's right. You say, hello. Let's practice together. Hello. Hello. One more time. Make it big and friendly. Hello. In Egypt, people also wave their hand just like us. They smile warmly. Kindness is the same everywhere. Here comes a little Egyptian girl. She has sparkly eyes. Let's greet her together. Ready? Hello, she waves back. She's so happy we said hello. Now we're walking through Cairo, busy streets, yummy food smells, music playing everywhere. And look ahead, a magnificent museum. But wait, a friendly guard stands at the entrance. How do we ask nicely to go inside? We use our second magic word, please. Please, please. Say it sweetly, please. It's like a golden key. It opens doors everywhere. Let's ask together. May we go inside? Please. The guard smiles wide. He nods yes. See how powerful that word is? 2 magic words collected. Hello and please. 3 more are waiting for us. What wonders will we discover inside? Ancient treasures are calling our name. We step outside the museum. The sun feels warm on my feathers. And whoa, look at that. Do you see those giant shapes in the distance? They're huge, they're golden, they're the great pyramids of Giza. Let's get closer. Our balloon lifts us over the sandy desert. Whoosh! Now we're right in front of them. These pyramids are so big. Bigger than mountains of ice cream, thousands of stone blocks stacked perfectly, one on top of another. Here's an amazing fact. People built these by hand, no machines, no trucks, just people, working together. That was over 4,000 years ago. Can you imagine? Your great, so many greats, grandparents were alive back then. The pyramids were homes for kings, special kings called pharaohs. They wore golden crowns and fancy striped headpieces. But wait, who's this coming toward us? It's a camel, a friendly camel with a cozy saddle. He carried tourists across the hot desert all day long. His name is Cleo. Cleo gives us a gentle ride closer to the pyramids. Bump, bump, bump across the sand. What a kind helper. When someone does something nice, what should we say? That's our 3rd magic word. Thank you. Let's practice. Thank you, thank you. Say it like you really mean it. Thank you. Let's tell Cleo together. Thank you for the ride. Thank you. Cleo makes a happy sound. Brrrah! He feels appreciated. Everyone loves hearing thank you. Now look over there. Something mysterious sits near the pyramids. A giant statue, but not just any statue. It has the body of a lion, strong and powerful. But the head is human, with a calm, wise face. This is the Sphinx. It's been sitting here for ages, guarding the pyramids, watching the desert, keeping ancient secrets. The Sphinx is missing its nose. Nobody knows exactly why. Some say sandstorms. Some say it broke off long ago. A mystery. I flap my wings with excitement. This place is amazing. How do we describe something so wonderful? We use our 4th magic word, beautiful. Let's try it together. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stretch it out. Beautiful. Beautiful. The pyramids are beautiful. The Sphinx is beautiful. Egypt is so beautiful. Use this word whenever something takes your breath away. A sunset, a rainbow, your mom's smile, all beautiful. Time for more passport stamps. Ready? Thump. A golden pyramid stamp. Thump. A Sphinx stamp with that mysterious face. Our passport is filling up with treasures. 4 magic words collected now. Hello, please, thank you. Beautiful. Just one more magic word to find. But the sun is setting over the Nile River. Orange and pink colors paint the sky. Our Egyptian adventure is almost complete. Are you ready for our final word? The stars are coming out now, twinkling above the pyramids. Our Egyptian adventure is ending. But wait, we need one more magic word. When you leave a friend, what do you say? When the fun day ends, what do you say? You say, goodbye. Let's practice together. Goodbye. Wave your hand as you say it. Goodbye. It's a little bit sad, but also happy, because goodbye means you had a wonderful time. The little Egyptian girl from earlier runs up to us. She wants to say goodbye too. Let's wave together. Goodbye, new friend. Goodbye. She blows us a kiss. We'll remember her forever. Now, let's play a game. Can you remember all 5 magic words? I'll give you hints. You shout the answer. Ready? When you meet someone new, you say, hello. When you ask for something nicely, you say, please. When someone helps you, you say, thank you. When something is wonderful, you say, beautiful. And when you leave, you say, goodbye. Let's put them in a fun chant. Repeat after me. Hello, how do you do? Please and thank you, I like you. Beautiful world, so much to see. Goodbye for now, remember me. One more time, faster. Hello, how do you do? Please and thank you, I like you. Beautiful world, so much to see. Goodbye for now, remember me. Amazing, you remembered everything. Let's look at our passport together. Flip to the Egypt page, golden pyramid stamps, a mysterious sphinx, hieroglyphic symbols, and 5 shiny word badges. You earned all of them. I'm so proud of you. These magic words work everywhere. At school, at home, in every country around the world, they make people smile. They open hearts. Now, where should we go next? I hear there's a country with tall red towers, yummy noodles, and pink flower trees that bloom like cotton candy. Can you guess where? Our next adventure awaits. Until then, practice your magic words every day. Share them with everyone you meet. This is Ollie the Owl, signing off. Goodbye, friend, and thank you for exploring with me. Woo woo!